Hey everyone, it's Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics to show you how to adjust the noise cancellation and transparency settings on the Beats Studio Buds Plus. The easiest way to do this, if you have them connected to your phone, is simply to hit the little eye on the right side of the Bluetooth settings if you're on an iPhone. If you're on an Android device, you need to download the Beats app, and then you have this same similar sort of menu. But once you jump in here on an iPhone, you can see that you can adjust what the current noise cancellation setup is. So you can either put it on transparency mode or on noise cancellation. If you have the earbuds in your ear, you can tell it's getting a little angsty at me there, telling me I need to put the earbuds in my ear. But you can also adjust the settings for the actual controls on the earbuds themselves by going into the press and hold options, and then you can set whether or not you want it to be noise control or Siri. And then when you're in there, you can see there's also an option for off. So to function through these settings, to kind of go through them like a carousel, if you will, you have to hold down this button on the outside of the earbud. So right above the little Beats logo, you just push in right there, and if you hold, you'll hear a little beep in your ear, and then it'll cycle through these settings. So if you hold it down until you hear the beep and it's on transparency mode, it'll then go to noise cancellation. If you then hold it down again, it'll go back to transparency mode unless you also select off, in which case it would go to off, and then if you hold it down again, it goes to transparency. So it's a nice little carousel function there. You can do that on either earbud, or you can change one of the earbuds to control Siri, or if you're on an Android device, it would likely control your smart assistant of your choice, probably Google Assistant, because we all know it's better, right? Let us know in the comments below. If this helped you out, I hope it did at least. I hope that your day is better because it helped you out. Thanks so much for watching. Have a lovely day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.